Many times we talk to people that are do-it-yourselfers. That is really a dangerous thing because, frankly, retirement is simply not a do-it-over-again process. If you get it wrong the first time, you can't do it over. When you were 40, 50, and maybe even 60 years old, if you made a mistake in the financial world, you had time to regrow it. But when you get into your 60s and 70s and 80s, there's just not that time left to do that. So trying to do it yourself is literally like trying to order a scalpel mail order and do surgery on yourself. You know, most people actually spend more time planning their vacations than they do planning their retirement. So you need to have a team of qualified, educated, credentialed people who have experience in the distribution phase. Let me give you an example. During our life, we go to a general practitioner, a physician. They help you with our headaches, our tummy aches, and maybe even our broken bones. But when it comes time for a knee or a hip replacement, if you're wise, you're going to find a team of specialists to help you get through fixing those issues. And that applies absolutely, and actually even more so in the financial world. So don't try to do it yourself. The decumulation is a specific strategy, and there are rules around it. Not so many rules around growing money. You know, growing money is kind of like putting a blindfold on, spinning, and trying to pin the tail on the donkey. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. We all have great ideas on how to get you rich. But when it comes to retirement planning, you've got specific rules. What percentage can you take out of your retirement? And if you don't have a written plan, it's kind of like taking off on vacation and running in circles. We want to get you on the right track. We call it our Money Train Plan to the House of Retirement Security so that you can retire with peace of mind.